Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing y'all how to apply press-ons with acrylic. I'll be using press-ons from Shein, but I also have done this with nails from the beauty supply store and Walmart. These are the nails I'll be using today, and this was filmed around Valentine's Day. First, you want to prep your nails, and these are the products I'll be using. They'll be linked down below. As far as prep, I do use cuticle remover, and I'll let that sit until it's soft. And next I push back my cuticles and I'll trim off the rest with cuticle nippers if there is any. Then I wash my hands to get off the product. After that, I'll make sure to buff the surface of my nails, making sure to get from sidewall to sidewall, and I'll rinse my hands once more. For extra security, I use rubbing alcohol. I only have the green one right now, and I just put some of that on my nail brush and I scrub away from the cuticle. Scrubbing away ensures that you're not putting the dust back up under your cuticles, because this will cause lifting in the future. Now for the application, I'm using Mia's Secret monomer and I'm pouring that into my dapping dish. Before applying, I use a dehydrator. This is basically the same thing as using an alcohol wipe, but I just still do it for extra security. Making sure to cover my whole nail bed. After that, I'm using the Mia's Secret primer. Priming your nails really does help the acrylic stick, and what I do is I apply the first coat to my whole hand, and then right before I apply the nail, I apply a second coat to make sure it's extremely sticky. Now I'm dipping my brush into the monomer, not completely soaking it, but making sure there's enough, and then I wipe it on the side to get the excess off, and then I grab a bead of acrylic. You don't want your beads to be too wet or too dry, and honestly it's about practice and patience, because to this day I still get the ratio wrong. Now to apply it, you place it on your nail and then you push down. Some extra acrylic will come out, but you can wipe it off before it fully dries, and you also need to make sure that you get under the nail too. And after that's done, I'm going to do the same process for the rest of my fingers. Now that I'm all done applying, I'm just going to put some cuticle oil on, and that's it. That's how I apply my press-ons with acrylic for a long-lasting hold. I really loved how these nails turned out. Perfect for February, and they lasted for weeks, no budging. And let me know in the comments if you've tried this method before or if you have any questions. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on my post notifications so you don't miss my next video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.